Morning, two-stroke turbo fans. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Mark. This is my shop dog Stella, as you've seen in many videos. We are out and about on a Saturday morning at Cars and Coffee. My youngest daughter Nora is in control of Stella this morning, and just beyond Nora we brought our Nissan Figaro. It's being checked out there by that gentleman. He's checking it out. Nora brought a couple friends to a Cars and Coffee here in Felida, Washington, and we're gonna kind of span around, check out all the cars. It's a cool and actually kind of rainy Saturday morning here in Felida, Washington, and so a lot of cars haven't showed up because of the threat of rain. We've had a lot of rain this summer. It's kind of odd, hot and then rain. That Chrysler is amazing. The taillights on that thing are like 10 feet wide, and the trunk is equally as big. You can get like 10 people in the trunk. It's just massive. I mean, look at this thing. It's gorgeous. It's a two-door Chrysler. I don't know if it's an Imperial. It's the rear speaker. Seats. Really cool dash. But look at this. Look at this. That's bug-eyed Sprite. Literally, you could get 3/4 of the Sprite in that trunk. That's nuts. Subaru Brat, Sprite. Let's look around. There's some cool cars here. I think you're going to enjoy this. Although the exotics are cool, this type of thing really gets me going. Look at that. It's got extra spark plugs. I'm looking at extra spark plugs. Just in case you need to stop, there's extra spark plugs on this MG. I don't know if it's a TD or TC. I'm not sure. This is very small. I'm unfamiliar, but that's where the driver's feet go. Toodaloo, there's the gas pedal. That's nuts. That is so tiny. That's got to be a really early one. That's so small. It's like a bicycle car. Gorgeous. I wonder what that is. A little coil of copper. What a great car. I have yet to see one of these before. It is dinky. Oh my gosh. Look at that. How do you get in there? That is smaller than a microcar. That is gorgeous, but like, oh. Wow. That's really nice. I am goobing out over this thing. That's crazy cool. So speaking of unique cars, all these cars are fine and dandy. They're modern, convenient. But this? What is this? A milk truck? Some type of grocery delivery vehicle? Oh, I'll go on this side. I mean, wow. Coil springs. That's interesting. And then like a little holster to hold your crank starter. It's a Ford. Apparently it's a grocery delivery. Really, really cool. Oh my gosh, look at the detail. So fancy. Oh my goodness, I love that. Beef market. It's a little grocery wagon. That's incredible. I have not seen that before. That's really, really cool. Are you doing good? There goes our Pook Haflinger. No, it's a pin scour. Thought it was a... There you go. That's so cool. Looking at this MG. Actually, it's a Morris MG. It's a 1934. I've been talking to the owner. It is fantastic, the story behind this car and how it got to the United States. Incredible. Just blows my mind. Never seen anything like it. Really, really cool. Right there, they're playing with the trafficators. That's so awesome. Everything is so neat on this car. I just love it. Everyone is just so excited about talking about it. It's still a work in progress, but man, what a cool car. That is so awesome. Love this show. I always see something I've never seen before. Just never Never expected to see this.
Mechanically dip? Oh, it actually dips them. Oh, that's cool.
The lenses dip. If you saw that or not.
That's cool.
They mechanically dip. That is so awesome. So the generator is right there, and it doesn't have a water pump.
And just a single fog light? Yeah, that's it. It's an app.
I don't know how you can even get your head up in there to see over the dash. It is so tiny. And then there's a lubrication system where you connect your grease gun or your oil gun to the front of the car, and it lubes all the chassis components. Oh, this thing is the best. I'm just going gaga over this. That is nuts.
It's not going to get stolen in the front. Plus, it has an electric switch.
Wow. Alright, so we're leaving the show. I wanted to get a quick little filming of this brat. It's not often you see the old, I don't forget what the number, EK something. Oh, it's a little tiny guy. I think it's like a 1200, 1000 cc little guy. That's the original one. Wow, that's awesome. Love this thing. It's quite the job. That's quite the rig right there. Got it all going on. And then as we spin around from the Brat, we look at the taillights on this Chrysler Imperial. Those are fantastic. Stella, you ready to go? Okay. Head home. People like seeing our Figaro. Really enjoyed seeing that MG. Great day. Stella, quit pulling me.